Miyagi Prefecture in northeastern Japan, hit by the earthquake and devastating tsunami of March 11, 2011. This is Junkyu Muto, a Japanese sculptor resident in Italy who was born in the city of Sendai in Miyagi Prefecture. He is currently working on pieces dedicated to the areas ravaged on that tragic day. An exhibition of his works opened in January of 2014. 311, Humans and Nature, Sorrow and Love. Some 80 works were displayed, including marble sculptures, renditions in marble with the look of paintings, India ink drawings, and neo-frescoes, paintings on canvas utilizing fresco techniques. Sendai-born Muto graduated from the prestigious Tokyo University of the Arts. After graduating, he went to Europe and subsequently set up a studio in Italy, where he currently practices his craft. Muto's works are on display throughout the world, including such places as the Papal Palace in Vatican City. He is a true international artist. Muto's current exhibition also marks the 40th anniversary of his move to Europe. It is intended as a further exploration of the long-standing theme in his work, the intermingling of the sounds of the universe, nature, and human beings. The pieces on display attempt to convey the profound sorrow caused by the earthquake and tsunami of 2011, as well as the power of the love and affection which surrounded the survivors and their shattered community and helped them to cope. At the moment, residents of the disaster area and people from across the nation are working on the creation of a monument to those who perished. Junkyu Muto was asked to design it. At his current exhibition, a quarter-scale first working model of the monument is on display.
震災の後に被災地を訪れた折にですね、その瓦礫の中にね、緑の小さな双葉の芽が吹いてたんですね。こんなにまた命が吹いてくるんだなという、それが作品の第一歩といいますか、一番のインプレッションといいますか。
Here, Muto is giving a talk on his impressions of what he saw in the disaster area and how he feels about creating the monument.
やっぱり日本から思いというもの、命の大事さ、儚さ、儚いけれども大事だねという、全世界に共通するような単純なその人間の感情といいましょうか、自然と人の営みみたいなものを 新しく復興していくその中心になる平和バッグから世界にこうやってメッセージを放ってたらいいなと。
Junkyu Muto is also the Miyagi Kizuna Taishi, or Miyagi Prefecture's ambassador for promoting the ties that bind with the rest of humanity. As he works on the 311 monument at his studio in Italy, he prays for the victims of the disaster and the areas affected by it, and hopes for northeastern Japan's rapid recovery from this terrible tragedy.